Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Sologenic and COREUM, the game changer. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. They've got a biometric wallet which has got $50 off, and they've also got a biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. I personally recommend storing crypto in a cold hardware wallet, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of both Sologenic and COREUM at the time of the recording, guys. So this is Sologenic. The price is down up 0.84% for the day. It has been such a bloodbath in the market that automatically I said that the price is down. I mean, yeah, it is up 0.83% for the day, almost 12 cents, 0.1158. If you look at the price over here, it went as low as 0.114 and as high as 0.118. If you look at the monthly chart, although the price is down 6.56%, guys, in the last month, the 12-cent mark being the attraction point, the price comes back to these levels time and again. It comes back to these price levels. So it went as high as 14 cents, as low as 11.25 in the last month. If we look at the yearly chart, it is down 16.95%, guys. But it is basically testing this support over here. Yeah, it is almost on its way to support to test the support over here, 0.1146. A weird looking chart, to be honest. I mean, this is a bit confusing, really confusing chart, guys, but this is the range. The price went as high as 19 cents, as low as 0.08943, but overall above the 10-cent mark. So 10 cents, in my opinion, is that support, that psychological support. If we look at the all-time chart, guys, it is extremely undervalued, guys. It is down 56.14%, 14%. But guys, if you look at the all-time highs, in that comparison, it is significantly down, guys. Let me share. Okay, so this is the all-time high according to CMC, down 98.25%, guys, from $6.63. This is, in my opinion, if you truly believe in Sologenic and what it stands for, if you have conviction in it, these are the levels, not only for Sologenic, but also COREUM. Let us look at the all-time chart of COREUM as well. Where is it at the moment? So this is COREUM. It has added a zero, $36 million market cap, and the volume is also down 2.18%. If you look at the all-time chart of COREUM, guys, it has come back down to test this crucial support over here. It added a 0.09478. It is basically testing these levels over here, the support level. It both COREUM and Sologenic are extremely undervalued, and they've hit the rock bottom. If you truly believe in the project and have long-term conviction in them, I'm not saying that they will be a success, but obviously what they're providing is unique, and the catalysts will be there. Real-world asset tokenization in terms of Sologenic, and what COREUM is providing, the ISO 20022 compatibility, and being associated with top projects, guys, and being really close to the XRP, the XRPL. Anyways, guys, let me show you what's happening in in the realm of Sologenic and COREUM. So check this out, guys. Bloomberg's token terminal adding real Sologenic and COREUM official is a game changer, not just for crypto, but for the future of real world asset tokenization. Here's a thread on why this is such a pivotal moment. So check this out. Increased credibility. The addition of Sologenic and COREUM to Bloomberg's token terminal lends legitimacy to RWA tokenization, signaling to traditional finance that these assets are gaining recognition and trust in the broader market. Number one, guys, it is increasing credibility because Bloomberg is a brand name. I'm going to be showing you what token terminal is in a moment when we end this thread. So this adds legitimacy to RWA tokenization. It is good for the industry as a whole, guys, not just Sologenic and COREUM, but for the entire industry. Let me like this as well. A really cool post over here, guys. So number second, shout out to Mr. Arctic U. Okay. Data-driven insights. Bloomberg's platform offers unparalleled data and insights, providing investors and institutions with the tools to make informed decisions about RWA tokenization, potentially boosting confidence and participation in this space. So obviously, being a brand name, Bloomberg's platform will provide insights to these institutions, these businesses, these multinational corporations to make informed decisions about RWA, and this will further increase exposure for both Sologenic and COREUM and the digital asset space as a whole. Global visibility. With Sologenic and COREUM featured on Bloomberg's token terminal, RWA tokenization gains global exposure, setting the stage for broader adoption and integration into traditional financial systems. Cool. Market integration. The integration of Sologenic and COREUM into token terminal bridges the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, potentially paving the way for a more seamless transition towards RWA tokenization on a global scale. So this will take Sologenic and COREUM global. I mean, this is really top notch. And this exposure was well needed. Don't look at the price at the moment, guys. These are the fundamentals that eventually helps a project take off, guys. The price action is temporary, but fundamentals are permanent. If you truly believe in the fundamentals of both Sologenic and COREUM, then do research and do your own research as to why do you believe it is a good project or not. Anyways, there are negativities as well, especially the price action. That tends to be the biggest negativity, and skepticism towards a project. Anyways, future potential. This integration is a catalyst for the future of RWA tokenization, opening doors for innovative financial products and investment opportunities that could reshape how real world assets are tokenized, traded, and managed. Obviously, guys, this indeed can become a catalyst, and it will increase the exposure for these institutions as to how the future of real world assets is, and they'll be much more interested in it in the times to come, and they'll be checking out what these projects are providing. If an institution needs their services, their solutions, it will be easy for them to check it out, and after this increased exposure. Now, guys, let me show you what token terminal is, Bloomberg's token terminal. So guys, this is token terminal. Fundamentals for crypto. Token Terminal is a full stack on chain data platform focused on standardizing financial and alternative data for the most widely used blockchains. So, yeah, launch terminal, market sectors. Let us look into the website. Data driven research on crypto. The leading blockchain data provider. So, basically, Token Terminal is a data provider. Token Terminal is a full-stack on-chain data platform focused on standardizing financial and alternative data for the most widely used blockchains and decentralized applications. So this is cool, guys. Proudly collaborating with Bloomberg, Coinbase, Ventures, Arca, Chainlink Labs, guys, Optimism, Tron, Market Vector, Pantera, Grayscale. I mean, huge names, guys. Coindesk, Sologenic and COREUM are gaining exposure after this, guys. the industry standard for blockchain data. We are on a mission to create the accounting and disclosure standards for the crypto market. And let me rephrase that. I mean, this is just an exposure, but they need further developments in their own end for this exposure to then gain full steam. Obviously, guys, this is the first part. The second part is obviously the development, the progress, and what they are providing. A full stack on chain data platform, on-chain data you can trust and act on, Bloomberg Token Terminal. The Token Terminal web application is now available on the Bloomberg Terminal app portal. To access the application inside Bloomberg, run the comment apps token go. Solutions for every scale, data room, hear from our customers. So this is cool, guys. This is really good in my opinion. Let us look into their X handle as well. Token terminal, how many followers? 118.4k followers, guys. Fundamentals for crypto available also on the Bloomberg terminal app portal at apps tokens go. So I think this is a neat little news, guys. This is really a neat little update. What do you guys think about it? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.